Ready? Start. These petitions under Article 32 of the Constitution of India are filed in representative capacity, to espouse the cause of teachers having B.Ed, special and D.Ed, special degree, diploma courses, and fully trained to cater to the requirements of child with special needs, also known as Divyang, including to impart them education and make them independent. Full stop para. The thrust of the grievance in the writ petition is about the illegality being committed by the concerned state and its authorities in employing them in recognized schools on contract basis without any certainty of tenure. Full stop. According to the petitioner, there is a need to appoint 73,888 special teachers on regular basis to teach 3,69,443 in the state of Uttar Pradesh and equally large number in the state of Punjab, so as to fulfill the required pupil teacher ratio, that is 5:1. Full stop para. It is urged that despite knocking doors of the concerned authorities repeatedly, no heed has been given to their demands, and most of them have been appointed on contractual basis in different schools. Full stop. This is despite the obligation of the state to ensure that pupil teacher ratio is maintained in the recognized schools, by appointing adequate number of trained teachers on regular post. Full stop para. As we are granting time to the state to file the counter affidavit, it was carry out the survey with regard to the children with special needs as far as practicable and put forth the same as a part of the counter affidavit. Full stop. To explicate, if the state is not in a position to do it for the entire state, at least it may do for one of the commissionerate to start with. Full stop. Let the matter be listed on 21/8/2017. Full stop. On the next date, that is 21/8/2017, on the basis of submissions made by the learned counsel for the parties, the court noted thus. Full stop para. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the respondent that to impart training to the children with special needs, the state is taking steps to recruit teachers with diploma in special education who are eligible to teach the especially abled children. Full stop. Needless to say, filling up the posts of teachers is one aspect. Full stop para. There are other aspects which are to be taken care of. Full stop. Learned counsel for the state shall keep in view the order dated 14/7/2017, which mentions with regard to the children with special needs and their requirements. Full stop. Keeping that in view, a further affidavit be filed by the secretary of the concerned department within 3 weeks hence. Full stop. List the matter after 3 weeks. Full stop. Liberty to mention. Full stop. Again on 18/9/2017, the court noted the submissions of the learned counsel and observed thus. Full stop para. It is submitted by Mr. D.K. Singh, learned additional advocate general for the state of UP, that teachers in certain schools meant for children with special needs and in certain normal schools where the children of that category can come with the mainstream have not been appointed. Full stop. In the course of hearing, it is submitted that the selection process for more than 1200 teachers is in progress and need for additional schools.